Hi guys, I'm Philip. Today I'm going to teach you how to put the accessory basket or at the corner cabinet. So you just right click, okay, add accessory, same thing. We drag this one, drag this one to the door, okay. Point to the door first. Remember I teach you point to the door, okay. So when you open, okay, never mind, you don't even follow to the door, right? Okay, we click this one or click on the accessory, click this one, click on this one, pull basket position, okay. So we move it, point to the door, okay. After that, to move it inside here, this one change to 0, okay. So when you click on the door, it will open, okay, like this, okay. So make sure change the accessory, okay, to pull basket, then you will stick to the door or do this way, okay. Thanks for watching, bye.